This is the ghost of Bloody Mary. Hi, Mary and May. And we're gonna start right now. Action.
Sweetie, come downstairs for your breakfast.
I'm so tired and hungry now.
Sweetie, come on.
Look at the circles under my eyes.
Well, you can have a nap later, but number one, we have to take your brother also to the park. So come on.
Fine. I'm gonna tell you the real story about Bloody Mary. First,
Okay, sweetie,
she's
I'm coming
there.
up there. You're not coming down so good.
You look in the mirror, any mirror, and then she's there. And then she comes up and she